Hey guys, today I am Chef Alex and today I'm going to be making pancakes. I have the recipe here. And first we have 1 cup of flour here, which I'm going to put in. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. You have to like sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And baking soda is half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon is also salt. And once we have all of our dry ingredients in, we're gonna start mixing. Just like sift it around, get all those dry ingredients mixed together. Now we have our wet ingredients here. Here we have some milk, 3/4 of a cup of it, or buttermilk, either one. Some melted butter, and 1 egg. Now we're gonna pour the milk in first. Careful not to spill. Today we used the buttermilk, and now we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Here's our 1 egg. And now our butter. And this is optional. If you want some chocolate chips in there, you can put them in. But if you do it after the batter's mixed. So we're just gonna mix the dry ingredient mixture with the wet ingredients. I think it's about ready to put the chocolate chips in. Now we're just gonna dump all these chocolate chips in here. Batter looks good. Now we're gonna go over and cook this. Hey guys, I've got the pancake batter all ready here. We're gonna be making mini pancakes today with this. I don't know what it is. I think it's an ice cream scooper. It works. It's just like an anything scooper. Now this is the first time making mini pancakes, so I'm gonna try my best. They're supposed to turn out into perfect rounds.
I'm not getting you.
They're supposed to turn out into perfect rounds. And once the top gets really bubbly, we're gonna flip them with this. Like a professional spatula. And if you're not making mini pancakes, be aware they're gonna spread out. Just gonna wait for these ones to cook, and then I'm gonna flip them. Okay guys, now we're gonna flip these. Oops. Pretty good. I'm not the best flipper. I'm sure I'm still better than a couple people. Oh, this one's slippery. Ooh, that one's a little too close. I don't think this one's ready yet. I'm not gonna flip him yet. Pick this up and flip. That was pretty good. It was close to where it started. Pretty close. Now we're gonna check the bottom of these pancakes to see if they're done. This one's done. I'm just gonna take them off and put them on our very fancy plate here. Check this one. Yeah, this one's done. They're a little overcooked, maybe. This one, I think I'm gonna wait a second. I just put this one. So here are our delicious chocolate chip pancakes. They're minis on our very fancy plate here. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next Learn How to Cook as Alex does. Bye, guys.